I want to talk about White Rose time travel machine theory that uh, a lot of person talk about it. Talk about what is it exactly. Uh, Talk about something quantum computer or some real time travel. Um, but here's my theory about White Rose time travel machine or White Rose project or whatever. I think it is uh, the movie is a stay on the line of reality and reason. Okay, uh, so far there isn't nothing that in the movie in the show that is based on science or weird stuff like I don't know. It's real, okay, but it's complicated, okay. It's not about that. The show it's not about something like that. Like uh, we see a lot of movie that show something irregular to real life we have, but show it in some way that based on science, based on reason. Uh, it's it could be true, okay, but this movie it's not based on this stuff so far, okay, and I don't think it's going to be changed suddenly. The way of it, it's kind of ruined. Everything is they say it's time travel, something like that. I think my theory is that White Rose, a lot of person that die in the movie, okay. I think his machine is kind of uh, store the body, okay, store the body of the dead people in some freezed place, okay, and when we are going to the future, technology and science may help them to be alive again, okay, and whenever one Dark Army soldier killed himself, he know that his body is going to the machine, okay, and I think they are going to the crime scenes after the police or something like that, or go to hospital, or they have contract to governments. A lot of a lot of reason, okay, a lot of way they can do this to get the body after this, and I think this is it. This is how uh, White Rose machine works, and how he's going to change uh, Angela or maybe Elliot's mind in the future episode. And that's what she showed to Angela, and I think that's what she want to show to Elliot. Their parents' dead body. I think that's very alive looking like. Okay, and because they're freeze, and the machine is something that maybe do this, and the thing they can't move it to China is because uh, there's a lot of dead body in it, and Tyler Willick, the thing he saw, everyone says that he saw the White Rose machine time travel. I think he saw something connecting to the the machine, the thing that store the body, store the dead people, and it is my theory. I just think this might be true, and in the season 4, every episode, two people uh, going to die, I guess, and the people I think at the end of the season 4, that also end of the Mr. Robot, we see they are stored in the machine, and Angela, Tyler Willick, a lot of person who died, and That's it. That is my theory about White Rose machine.